Hello there, it's Brian from Northern Power and Safety, and I'm so excited to remake this onboarding video for our new release of Lockout ID Portal 2503.0 with many new features. So what we're going to do is we're going to decide whether we are going to be onboarding a single tag, maybe for ourselves, or maybe we're a supervisor and we've got several tags. Here's a 25 pack, and we want to empower our workers to do this. Now, if I am doing this on my own, what I am going to do is I am going to open up my camera app and I'm going to scan this tag. And I'm going to log in. And I'm going to onboard it, just like this. Here's the onboard screen. Now, if I am a supervisor and I've got multiple tags, I don't want to have to give away my password or change it or remember to change it back and hand it out. It's not really a great option. So I am already logged into the portal. I'll go to the dashboard, and what I'm going to do is click on the generate fast start, and I'm going to Command or Control and P, and I'm going to print that out. Or alternatively, you can leave this on the screen and the workers can scan this to get temporary restricted fast start access. I'm just going to spin around here and grab that printout. And as you see, there it is. Again, if you don't have a printer handy, you can just leave this on the screen. We're going to put that down there. I'm going to make sure I'm logged out. Grab this. And I've got instant fast start access. So then once we do that, it's going to go back to the camera. And we're going to scan this tag in. And now I am able to scan this tag in without having to use the supervisor password and username. So there we go. That's how we do onboarding. Once that's onboarded, we are good to go. The dashboard, we could just go back and we will see all of these workers here. Again, I'm just going to review for this new version the things that you can do within this interface. First of all, you can see who's on shift and off shift instantly here. And you can see that at home or on your desktop or on your mobile. I'm going to show you what the mobile looks like. By changing this view on my desktop, it will simulate a mobile, but if this is the same thing, that would be shown on your mobile phone. You can see the same information, workers, shift status. You have the ability to call them right from here, view their tag, edit their tag, and delete their tag. You can click up here and log off, clear all the tags by licenses. I'm going to go back here. Okay. From here, we can delete the tag, we can edit the details, or we can use our work scope filter up here. If we just want to see the workers on GT1B, click there, and we can just bring this down into focus and filter it right to those users. This is really great if you happen to be a supervisor who's responsible for multiple work scopes in the environment. If you want to see everybody else, you can go back to all work scopes. At the top, we have a tag count and a work scope count. We can log off with this button on the left. We can clear all those devices by clicking clear lids. It will give you a prompt, so if you made a mistake, just click cancel. This is a great opportunity to save time and effort. If you are running a project and you've collected all of the tags back in at the end of the project, you want to quickly cancel those out so that you can ship them back maybe to a central tool warehouse or just shift them off to a new project and reuse them. Here's a button where we can order tags. It goes right to the Northern Power and Safety site where we can go to the catalog, and then we can purchase more tags. Email support will launch your email tool that's installed on your computer and get a email started for support. You could also call us at 617-340-3061. The tag audit button allows you to take a look at the shift status changes. This is in replacement of a separate sign-in log that you might have to record and keep separate. At the very top, you have the options of generating a PDF that you can save to a SharePoint or network share, or just print out. You can return to the dashboard. Here we have the dashboard view. The dashboard view is very much like an airport departure or arrival board. All of the tags that you have under your control will move up and show you the pertinent information, including work scopes, shift status, and when it was changed last. Up at the top, you have the work scopes and the number of tags, as well as the current date and time. The dash view is actually a very good tool that you can use perhaps on a large monitor or TV in the area where the lockout boxes are, so you can see who's on shift and who's locked out. We go back here. We have the generate fast tag here, and that is the walkthrough. Lockout ID is intuitive. It gives you the ability to do management. Lockout IDs is a direct replacement for a traditional LOTO tag that is time-consuming to create, not reusable, ends up in the landfill, and more often than not is impossible to read. It puts workers at risk and your job and its safety at risk. Lockout Tagout, control of hazardous energy, has consistently been in the top 10 OSHA cited violations in the United States since its inception in the 1980s. It is time that we kick out traditional LOTO tags as not being effective and upgrade to the new way of doing things, a better way of doing things. That's Lockout ID.